Take these push pins out. There's 3 on each side. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. You can grab this panel and just fold it like this. Take these screws out. There's 4 of them. Use a T20 socket. From underneath, you have 2 screws on each side. Use a 7mm socket, take those out. On the side here, take these push pins out, just use a trim tool. Pop that out. There's probably one down there as well. This vehicle doesn't have it. And then take these screws out. Use a T20 socket. Take both of those out. Slide back. And through this area right here, use a 7mm socket. Take the screw out here. Then you can grab the bumper. Use a little bit of force. Just pop it out, just like that. You want to do the same on the other side. And just grab the bumper and just slide it off. Take this 10mm bolt out right here. Use a 10mm socket. Now just grab the horn and push down on this button and disconnect it. For the passenger side, it's the same deal. Use a 10mm socket. Take that bolt out. Disconnect the connector, push down, and slide it off. The one on the passenger side happens to be the high tone. You can see there's an H on the horn. Same way it came out. Just connect the connector, line the bracket up, put the bolt in, snug it down. This side is the low side. There's an L. Connect the connector. Line it up. Put the bolt back in and snug it down. All right, line the bumper up on both sides. Just line these up. Take the 7mm screw, line this up, snug that down, and line this up. You can put the push pin in. If you had one down below, put that one in as well. Put these screws in. Tighten these down on both sides. Underneath, get these 2 screws started on both sides. Tighten them down. Put these bolts in. And tighten them down. Slide this panel back in place. And put the push pins in, lock them down. Do the same on this side.